Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. So on the Doge chart, we can see that the market has started to reverse from that mini trading area, from that mini support area, and this looks potentially impulsive to the upside. Yeah, it's one of the charts here. I mean, Doge is one of the charts which has held up much better than many other altcoins. I mean, that is one thing to talk about, right? We have a 1-2 setup, which is still technically valid. It is still technically valid. It's the higher low that formed. We had an initial response to the lower support region, which was quite, I would say, impulsive. Okay, other charts did that as well, and the potential was there for them to hold a higher low. Well, some did, some didn't, obviously. Doge did, and that's why I said it's one of the stronger ones at the moment in the current price region here. We then saw this kind of expanded flat. It's more a running flat that formed. A wave down, overshooting, B wave, C wave down. As per yesterday's update, if you watched it, then you know that the C wave to the downside is technically, it really is technically complete. And this C wave there, ended with 5 waves, and it landed exactly where such a C wave should normally end, right? In the support area after 5 waves, and now we see a rally above the previous high. And I mentioned to you yesterday, for a first indication, I mean, we can say the low, I can't say the low is in when we have a full wave count, because sometimes we get extensions to the downside and they are not surprising, but it's definitely then the time to be watching for a reversal. And that reversal happened from where it needed to. And I wanted to see, however, a break above the last high here around 34.8 cents for a first indication a low is in. Well, that happened. Okay, but now that we've broken out, the question is, right, do we get a pullback? It is a potential 5-wave move up. So the likelihood is it will get corrected now after 5 waves up, which is typically why breakout trading isn't great when you have a structure like that. It could just extend, but likelihood is it will correct sooner than later. And if we get a correction, then the micro support, I mean, should it happen from there, micro support is this one here. And this is simply for an internal wave 2 for that potential. And this is only should the correction start now. There's no sign that wave 2 has started. But if we see a bit of downside momentum after 5 waves up, it is likely that wave 2 pullback starts. Micro support is between 32 cents and 34.1 cents. And any break below 32 cents means that, okay, the upside reversal, it's failed. This might just be an extended wave 4 or something. Ideally, though, the low is in and we're going higher now, but I need to see a higher low next to confirm that. Then a break above the wave 1 high, and we should be on our way to the previous swing high around 40 cents, maybe even in the direction of 44 cents plus. Yeah. I mean, this larger degree third wave, which again is a 5-wave move, should get to at least 46.3 cents. That's the 138% extension. So overall, it's starting to look quite promising here. We have a 1-2 setup. We have a small impulse from the low. This could be a 1-2 setup. As long as the 32 cent level is holding, I would focus on higher. There is at least the chance now. I mean, bear in mind, on a wave degree like that, on a time frame like that, this is clearly kind of unreliable, but still it's worth watching because we have on multiple wave degrees. It reacted to 3 support areas now, and they all held. No, 2, but this here is another attempt now, and so we'll see. It certainly does look good. It's probably one of the better charts currently. Looks a bit similar to Pepe, for example, on the local level at least. So yeah, either way, even if we break below 32 cents, then yeah, while the local 1-2 setup might be failing, it won't change the overall assumption on the chart. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.